Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Mrs Vee here. In today's video, I'm going to be making a banana pudding. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be making a banana pudding and I'm going to show you the ingredients I will be using. I'm doing the cold version of banana pudding, not the one where you heat the egg whites on the stove. I'm doing the other version. So what you're going to need is a 8-ounce thing of Cool Whip, some bananas, some banana cream pudding mix or something equivalent, the 3.4 ounce, some sweet condensed milk, and your cookies. So those are the ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to do is follow the directions of the pudding mix. I'm going to pour 2 cups of cold water and whisk it using a wire whisk, or either I can use a blender, but I'm going to use my wire whisk. So that's what I'll be doing, so stay tuned. And now I'm just whisking it to make it thick. So you just do this until all of your pudding is mixed and you get a sort of a thick consistency. It's not gonna be thick, but as long as all your product is mixed together, all your ingredients, if you will, not your product. I got that all mixed together, and now I'm going to add the Cool Whip. Got my Cool Whip. Now I'm going to add the condensed milk, and I'm going to whisk it as I pour it in. Taste your filling. I like more cookies than I do bananas. So that's why I only had 3 bananas and 2 packs of cookies. So you're just gonna slice it and just layer it. Banana, I do bananas first. Banana cookies, banana. Banana cookies, filling, banana cookies, filling. and I'll be back. And I like to put some cookies around the edge. And then as an added garnish, I always take the little crumbs that's in the bag or box or whatever I have and just sprinkle them over the top of it. And that's it. This is my dessert. So stay tuned. I'll style it because I'm sure my husband's going to eat some. I'm not going to eat none because I don't eat past 7. And it's almost 7 now. But I will be eating some tomorrow. So even though I'm on a healthy journey, I'm on a real journey. So I'm still gonna eat some of the things I like. I'm not gonna cut out all the sweets. So that's it. So stay tuned. So this is my sweets for my sweetie. He loves banana pudding, so I made banana pudding. Not your traditional sweets for Valentine's Day, but that is what we like. So this is it. This is how I have it displayed. I have my grateful sign because I am grateful for my sweetie. So this video was in collaboration with Vanessa over at Veeology and Kim over at Tennessee Kim. And I want to thank these two ladies for hosting this collaboration with me. Well, Veeology was the host and Tennessee Kim and I are the co-hosts. So I'll have both of these ladies' links in the description box, and I will also have a link to the playlist. So even though I'm getting healthy, I'm going to eat some banana pudding tomorrow. I'm not going to take everything out my diet. I'm living a realistic life over here. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Mrs Vee. I'm continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save. So thank you and have a nice day.